A unique path for success in life is not a one-size-fits-all formula, but rather a personal journey shaped by your values, passions, talents, circumstances, and the choices you make along the way. While success means different things to different people, wealth, freedom, purpose, peace, impact, a unique path typically involves deep self-awareness, courage, continuous growth, and alignment with something greater than just external validation. Here's a full-length breakdown of a unique path to success, not borrowed from society's standard models, but shaped around an individual's quest to live a meaningful, fulfilled life. Step 1. Define success for yourself. The first and most critical step in a unique path to success is to define it on your own terms. What does success mean to you? Is it freedom of time, creative expression, helping others, building something lasting? What kind of life would you really like, not living? Many people chase a version of success defined by others, fame, fortune, status, and end up burned out or hollow. A unique path starts with clarity. 2. Know yourself deeply. You can't walk your path until you know what terrain you're best suited for. Spend time understanding your core values, what you stand for, your strengths and weaknesses, your personality type, your passions and curiosities, what energizes or drains you. Tools like journaling, personality assessments, MBTI, Enneagram, meditation, coaching, or therapy can help with this. Self-knowledge isn't indulgent. It's the compass for making choices aligned with who you really are. 3. Start small, but start bold. A unique path often begins quietly. In a small project, an unexpected job, a move to a new place, or an internal shift. Start before you're ready. Your first steps may be uncertain, unpaid, or even criticized. The world might not understand, but you will. Start a blog, business, or community. Quit the wrong path to explore the right one. Take a sabbatical to reset. Say yes to something unconventional. Success isn't a leap, it's a direction. Begin walking toward it. 4. Cultivate rare and valuable skills. A unique path still requires mastery. Whether you're a sculptor, scientist, coder, activist, teacher, or entrepreneur, become excellent at something. Success often follows people who solve real problems in unique ways, create things people love or need, can't easily be replaced. This requires deep work, consistency, and patience, usually for years. Being uniquely useful is often more important than being passionate. 5. Design your environment with intention. You rise or fall to the level of your environment, mentally, socially, and physically. Surround yourself with people who inspire, challenge, and support you. Limit distractions and negative influences. Optimize for focus, rest, and flow. Live where you feel most alive, if possible. Your environment shapes your identity. Protect it. 6. Embrace failure and reinvention. A unique path is rarely linear. You will fail publicly or privately, outgrow old dreams, take detours or get lost, doubt yourself. That's part of it. The key is to stay adaptable, learn fast, and keep moving. Let go of ego, embrace change, and trust that failure is feedback. Resilience is not just bouncing back, it's evolving forward. 7. Stay rooted in integrity and purpose. Success without integrity is hollow. The unique path must align with your values, not just in big moments, but daily decisions. Do you keep your word? Do you treat others well? Are you proud of how you're living, not just what you're achieving? Purpose doesn't have to be grand. It can be showing up fully, doing good work, raising a family, or helping one person. The most sustainable success is tied to service, contribution, and meaning. 8. Balance ambition with peace. A unique path recognizes the need for both striving and stillness. Push when you need to grow. Pause when you need to heal. Enjoy the journey, not just the goal. Don't fall into the trap of endless hustle or spiritual bypassing. Integrate both doing and being. Success isn't the destination, it's how you feel along the way. 9. Leave a trail for others. Eventually, your path becomes part of someone else's map. Share what you've learned. Mentor those behind you. Build something that outlives you, a legacy of impact, kindness, or change. A unique path, when walked with love and courage, becomes a gift to the world. 10. Keep evolving. The final truth: success is not static. You will evolve. Your dreams will change. Your values may shift. The person you become at 30, 50, or 80 will see the world differently. A unique path remains dynamic. Stay open, stay curious, keep creating. Life is not about arriving, it's about becoming. Final thought: a unique path to success is not about finding the right answers. It's about asking the right questions, listening to your inner compass, and daring to walk in the direction that calls you, even when the road isn't paved. Success isn't just what you do, it's who you become while doing it. Hey, how was the video? And please comment, how will I help you for Learn English? If you want Learn English in just simple steps, please do subscribe this channel at Grandpaa786 on YouTube. Thanks for your love.